Good morning students. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine. Okay. In the previous class we revised about plastics, types of plastics, differences between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics, uses of plastics, general properties of plastics, etc. Today we are revising about plastics and the environment. Okay. Now when you consider plastics, we are using these plastic materials in a wide range. Now after use we are throwing these plastics here and there. So these plastics makes a health hazard to the human beings. So how these plastics are affecting the environment, we are going to see now. First of all, these plastics are non-biodegradable. What is the meaning of non-biodegradable? They are not decomposed by microorganisms. The second point is, it blocks the rainwater that is seeping into the ground. So when plastic materials, plastic covers or plastic bucket, broken materials, etc., when it is lying down under the tree, under the plant, it will block the, or it will not allow the water to get into the soil. That is the second point. Third point is, it prevents plants from receiving water. So if it is near the root, so the plant cannot get the water. The fourth point is, it also depletes the groundwater. Next point is, it blocks the water bodies. That is, when water bodies such as rivers, ponds, lakes, sea, ocean, etc., if you throw all the plastic materials, plastic waste into that water bodies, it will block the water bodies. Then also it harms the aquatic organisms such as fish, etc. Then the last point is, when you burn these plastics, it will release poisonous gases into the atmosphere. So when these poisonous gases are in the atmosphere, it will pollute the air, or it will cause air pollution. So these are the various hazards that is given by plastic to the environment. Now about 500 million to 1 trillion people plastic bags are used by man throughout the year. So 1 year the usage of plastic is 500 million to 1 trillion plastic bags. Okay. So every year we are using this much of plastic, means what will happen? World will be full of plastic waste. Now another one point we have to remember is, this plastic, it will start to decay, or the plastic will start to decompose after 450 years. So after starting, it will take 80 more years to decompose and disappear completely. So this is also the another important thing we have to remember in our mind. So how to avoid the plastic material? First of all, we have to reduce the usage of plastics. The second point is, we can recycle the plastic material. First one is reducing the usage of plastic. Then second one is recycling the plastic objects. Now recycling plastic objects is containing 3 steps. That is, collecting the plastic material, then sorting out. That is, what is that? Sorting out means separating Then processing means we have to melt or heat and make it into desired shape. So it involves 3 processes. Recycling process involves 3 processes: collecting, sorting and processing. For example, if you take the PET bottles, Coca-Cola, Pepsi bottles, they are all can be melted down and the resulting molten material is made into fiber, and this fiber is spun into fabrics, and it is used for making jackets and sleeping bags. Nowadays, the municipality is providing 2 types of bins, a green bin and a blue bin. Green bin is used for what purpose? It is used for storing the biodegradable waste such as food items, vegetable and fruit peel, etc. Then the blue bin is used for storing the waste such as recyclable waste such as plastic, glass, etc. So we have to, whenever we are throwing or whenever we are putting some waste, we have to put it in the recyclable bin. Okay. The things that can be done to limit the harmful effects of associated with plastics are: first of all, do not accept the plastic bags. Instead of taking a plastic bag, when you go for shopping, use the paper bag or cloth bag. That is the first point. Then second point is reuse the plastic bag that is in home. That is already you have bought a material in a plastic bag and you can take that and reuse it again. So reuse the plastic bag that is at home. The third point is do not throw any plastic waste on the roadside or in the water bodies. Then the next point is use separate garbage bins in home as well as in house, in school also. That is, you have to use biodegradable waste green bin and non-biodegradable waste blue bin. So these are the things you have to follow to limit the harmful effects of plastics. Now we will see one more thing. Scientists, they have made a new type of plastic called bioplastic. And what is the use of this bioplastic? This bioplastic is used for packaging or packing food as well as catering items. Now listen here. This bioplastic is made from the natural materials such as vegetable oil, corn starch, etc. So this is the one of the important discovery of the scientist, because in order to avoid the plastic we can use the bioplastic. Next one is, another one important thing is Teflon. Teflon is nothing but polytetrafluoroethylene. Polytetrafluoroethylene. For commercial purpose we are giving the name or we are using the name Teflon. Then this Teflon was discovered by Roy Pulangat and in the year 1938. Now what is the use of this Teflon? This Teflon is withstanding high melting point, that is it can withstand high temperature. So and it is non-sticky, that is it won't stick. Anything is kept in that, when it is heated it will not stick. So in order to use the other types of cookwares, we can use the Teflon coating in the cooking vessels. So due to these properties, high melting point and non-sticking character, this Teflon is widely used in non-stick cooking pans and other cookwares. So this is also another discovery made by the scientists. Okay, so these are the things how the plastic usage is limited in our day-to-day life. Now what are the drawbacks that happens while disposing the plastic bags or plastic materials, broken plastic buckets into the water bodies as well as roadside. First of all, plastics that get buried under the ground prevent the rainwater from seeping into the ground. So what will happen? The water forms a muddy puddle on the surface. So this will affect the growth of the plants. The second point is, when plastics are burnt, they produce a toxic gas and even smoke also. So it is injurious to the human body. Third point is, when plastics are dumped into the water bodies, it is a very great threat to the aquatic organisms such as fish, etc. And also the reproductive system will fail in the aquatic organisms. Then the most of the plastic waste and other broken materials are littered on the roadside. So when you go near that area, you may get bad odor and it may cause some diseases, because mosquitoes will breed in that and it may cause some diseases. So these are the major drawbacks of usage of plastic. So what we have to do in order to avoid this? We have to follow the 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle the plastic materials. Now for this only, in Andhra Pradesh, that is in Hyderabad, there are some people, those who collect the waste material, and they will send for recycling process, and they are called as kabadiwalas. Kabadiwalas means recyclers. They are called kabadiwalas. The other name is recyclers. What is the duty of these people? They will take all the plastic material and they will give for recycling process. Now there are 2 men called Mani Vajpayee and Raj Madan Kobal. These 2 men, they founded a new organization called Banyan Organization. What is the duty of this Banyan Organization? They will collect all the they organized all the kabadiwalas and collect all the materials, waste material, plastic waste material from kabadiwalas, and they use scientific method to recycle the plastic material. Thus they will use this plastic material for making other things, that is from high quality they make into low quality things. Okay, so it is done in Telangana state. This Banyan Organization is adapting an effective and cost effective works, and it becomes a great fire throughout the state. Okay, so this is another additional information. So this lesson I have revised again fully. So you have watched the 4 classes, that is this week 2 classes, last week 2 classes. So each day I revised about synthetic fibers and plastics,